Okay, so we have number 7. We have the integration of 2x cosine 3x squared plus 8 sine 4x dx. So in this case, we can actually integrate them individually. So we have to rewrite the equation, or we have to rewrite the function as integration of 2x cosine 3x squared dx plus the integration of 8 sine 4x dx. Okay, now in this case, we have to identify which trigonometric integration rule that we could apply. So we know that since we have cosine as our trigonometric identity, then we have the integration rule. The integration of cosine u du is equal to, that is, sine u plus c. And the second term, since it has sine or trigonometric sign into it, then we have the trigonometric rule, that is the integration of sine u du that equals to negative cosine u plus c. However, if before we apply this rule, we need to check first, or check the equation if it satisfies the given trigonometric integration rule. Okay, by locating, or by first checking the u and the du in the integrand of the function. In this case, in our first term, we have our u there, that is the angle of our cosine, that is 3x squared. Then our du, that's the derivative of 3x squared, that is 6x dx. Okay, and the second term, we have our u there, that is the angle of sine, that is 4x. Then our du is equal to 4 dx. Okay, but by looking at the equation, or but by looking at the function, we need 4 dx as our du. Tama? And here we need 6x dx as our du. Okay, so we have to introduce a multiplier. Okay, then have its reciprocal multiplied outside of the integration. But first, since we have constant 2 and constant 8 here, we have to move that constant outside of the integration. So we have here, write the equation as 2 integration of x cosine 3x squared dx plus 8 the integration of sine 4x dx. Now take note, in this case, this is our u, then our du is only x dx. So we need to have a multiplier 6. So we need to rewrite again our equation as 2 integration of cosine 3x squared x dx. Okay, so again, this is our u. Then, since our du is 6x dx, then we have to multiply 6 the equation so that it would satisfy derivative of u. However, since we multiply 6 inside the integration, then we multiply 1 over 6 outside of the equation, that is 1 over 6. Okay, now in the second term, we have plus. Since our du in the second term is 4 dx, then we only have dx inside the integration. Then we need to multiply 4 inside the integration and 1/4 outside. So we have here 1 or 8 times 1/4, then the integration of sine 4x dx, then the multiplier 4. So this is now our u, and this one now is our du. So we can finally use the following integration rule, this one. Okay, so we have to apply that. So the integration of cosine u, that is sine u plus c. So therefore, we have sine, our u is 3x squared, 3x squared. But take note, we have 2 over 6 outside of the integration. So we have 2 times 1/6, that is 2 over 6, then plus. In this case, we have 8 and 1/4, then multiply 8 and 1/4, we have 8 over 4. Then the integration of sine u, that is negative cosine u, this one. So therefore, that is times negative cosine. We have u, that is 4x. Then we have plus c. Okay, simplify it further. We have 2 over 6, that is 1/3. Then we have sine of 3x squared. Then we have negative cosine. Then we move negative outside. We have positive times negative. Then we have negative. Then 8 over 4, that is 2. Cosine of 4x plus c. This is now the final answer, or that is now the integration of 2x 2x cosine 3x squared plus 8 sine 4x dx. So this is the final answer. Okay, so we have example number 8. We have the integration of 3x squared minus 2 minus 2x. Okay, since we have a second in the integrand, so we apply the rule, the integration secant u du, that equals to the natural logarithm of secant u plus tangent u plus c. Okay, now in this case, our u is x cubed minus 2x. So therefore, our du is what? That is 3x squared minus 2 dx. Correct? Now, by looking at the function, we have 3x squared minus 2. Correct? So if we rewrite our function, we have integration of secant x cubed minus 2x times 3x squared minus 2 dx. Okay, so this one is our u, this one, and this one here is our du, this one. But since our du already satisfies the required du, then we don't need a multiplier inside the integration. Okay, so we can directly use this rule. That's the natural logarithm of secant u plus tangent u plus c. Okay, again, we do not need a multiplier since our du here already satisfies the required du. So therefore, by using this integration rule directly, then we have the answer. That's the natural logarithm of secant. We have u, that is x cubed minus 2x plus tangent. We have u, that is x cubed minus 2x, then plus c. So this is now the final answer, or the integration of 3x squared to the secant of x squared minus 2x dx.